What's that sound? Let's see. Over here. Then here. What is going on? I haven't even started. What's this all about?
Hey, Babaloo! Truffles! Look, there's a little bird!
A bird? How cute! Let me see, I want to see!
Sounds like a bird. I have to check it out.
Hey guys! Where do you think the little birdie came from?
I don't know, but look, it can't fly!
Do you mean it walked here to Zodiac Way? Oh, I'm not sure. Bunny Brett, be gentle. Don't pinch it like that. Oh, hello, Hammer.
Can I have a look?
I don't think that's a good...
Babaloo, hand it over!
Yeah, give it to him, or he might get mad at us. Oh, but I... All right.
Oh.
Oh, I think it's better if I hold it.
Never mind. You hold it.
Oh, wicked! Oh, little birdie, you're safe with me.
So tell me, kids, where did you find this bird?
Come with us, okay? Well, it's right here!
Oh, I see. It's just right there. No wonder it sounded so close.
Hammer, I was thinking maybe he fell out of his tree. Let me see. Oh, that must be the baby birdie's home. How cute! But I'm too wee. I can't reach it.
I'll help you.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, wow! Look at me! I'm not wee anymore! Oh, I still can't reach it! We want to help too!
Babaloo, try harder!
A little further! I'm almost there! Babaloo, quickly! I can't hold on anymore! Help! Oh, steady, guys! Oh, no!
Ah, the birdie's okay!
Looks like we need another way. We'll cut it down and then remove the nest.
Wow! You can't do that! No!
You might scare his mummy and daddy away. Then you'll have no one to go home to. Oh no, the wee birdie's hurt.
Oh,
It must have got hurt when it fell out of the tree!
Luke, the birdie's wing is hurt. If it's not fixed in time, he won't be able to fly.
Oh.
Birdie.
it's hurt. Wait.
Oh?
I got it.
Oh?
I still think we better take her back with us. What do you say?
Right, we can help him fly again.
Say what?
Well, I just thought... well, I was kind of thinking that, well, maybe we can fix her. Oh!
I'll take care of it.
Okay, fine.
Oh. Peekaboo. You must be hungry. Oh. Oh, I see. This boat's too big for you, isn't it? Here, I was just teasing you. Oh. You must must be hungry. Oh, you thirsty? Oh, you want some more? Nothing comes in your size. Idea. Here, see? It's made just for you. Ta-da! Here, look. This is for your water, and this for your food right here. Oh, and this. This here, this is a treadmill. You need to exercise if you want to fly again. So, what do you say? Come on, try it. Your wounds have healed. What? You wanna fly? Oh, let me give you a hand. Yo! That wasn't the right way to do it. You should do it like me. Flap your wings real quick and run forward at the same time. See? It's not that hard. Now these look more like wings. Hey, watch me. You have to flap your wings very hard. Yo! And faster, 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 faster. Yo!
How about we go visit Birdie to see if she's better?
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Hurry up!
Here, follow
Wait
me.
for me!
Like this.
Look, check it out. Pepper's training her to fly.
There, flap your wings. That's right, flap them. Right, that's it. Now more power. Oh, a little more. Don't give up now. There you go. That's it. Right, that's it. Keep going. Way to go.
Oh, wow, success!
Good job. Now let's see who's faster.
I can fly! Amazing! That's just super!
Oh.
Hammer, you two look like family.
Family? Right, he needs a home.
Hey, let's go with them!
It's ready. Look, I made it from an old clock.
Wow!
This is going to be your new home. Go ahead, little guy.
Bye, Birdie! We'll come see you again!
See ya.
像你这样的大 你手中带走。扬长啸，对牛弹琴一不小心打上金车，两人开始龙争虎斗，杀了机器人了后，杀了暴怒鼠，场快马加鞭没了辙。像你这样的大师喝酒一定很厉害，慢慢饮上一大口。